In the 1920s, hundreds of young women went to work painting watch dials. Their job was simple: make the numbers glow in the dark using radium paint. Their bosses told them the radium was completely harmless. So harmless, in fact, that the women licked their paintbrushes to create fine points. Some even painted their lips and nails with it for fun. Within a few years, something horrifying began to happen. Their jaws started rotting away, their bones crumbled like chalk, and their bodies began to glow green in the dark. The companies knew. They hired fake doctors to lie about the cause of death. They bribed medical examiners. They destroyed evidence. When Grace Fryer tried to sue, she couldn't find a lawyer for 2 years. The company had intimidated everyone. Decades later, when the victims were finally exhumed, their skeletons still glowed. These women didn't just die from corporate greed, they literally became walking ghosts, their bones transformed into radioactive tombstones. Their legal battle would change workers' rights forever. But the price was unimaginable.